Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to enable disappearing messages on Messenger. Disappearing messages in Messenger automatically delete new messages after a set amount of time once they've been seen. And this feature is only available in end-to-end encrypted chats, which are now the default for most Messenger conversations. So open the Messenger app, then open the conversation where you want messages to disappear. Next, tap the person's name or the group chat name at the top. Next, scroll down and select Disappearing Messages. Now, choose how long messages should remain before they're automatically deleted. Available options vary by app version. So I only have 24 hours. So I'm going to select that. Then exit the settings, and the timer will apply to new messages sent in that chat. So as you can see at the bottom, it says you turned on disappearing messages. So new messages will disappear 24 hours after everyone has seen them. Now, if you want to turn off disappearing messages, so open the same conversation, tap the contact or group name at the top, then scroll down to disappearing messages, and just select off, and it will be disabled just like that. So, disappearing messages only affect new messages after you enable the feature. Either participant in the chat can change or disable the disappearing message timer. So, recipients can still take screenshots or save content before it disappears, although Messenger may notify participants about screenshots in some situations. And that's it. Thank you for watching.